Hi, welcome to Susana Home Remedies. Today we are going to talk about 5 ways to stop your breath from stinking when you don't have a toothbrush. So stay with us to know more about this interesting topic. So here we go. You are just about to start a huge conversation. Your listener leans in, but then you open up your mouth and then she takes a subtle step back. Or maybe you just have the grimy teeth feeling and you are sure you have the full breath that goes along with it. Whatever the signs are that you have become a stink bomb, there are ways to diffuse your toxic breath. Carrying around a travel toothbrush and mini toothpaste is always a good idea, but sometimes we aren't always that well prepared or have the sink to do it. So, if you are in a pinch without your oral hygiene equipment, try these strategies to freshen your breath instead. Breath Saver 1. Sugar-free gum or mint. They are the old standby, and that's because they do provide a temporary solution, says Trippy Maisman, DDS founder of the Minneapolis-based City Tooth Dentistry Practice. They want to knock out the bacteria that's giving you the bad breath in the first place, but they'll buy your time until you can brush. Just make sure they are sugar-free. Oral bacteria feed on the sugars you eat and then create acid as a byproduct that eventually affect tooth enamel. But in the short term, it can also turn breath sour, Maisman notes. Breath Saver 2. Fruit. Although fruit has natural sugars, they can still inhibit the bacterial activity in your mouth. For example, apples have polyphenols, which can suppress bacteria and help eliminate sulfur compounds in the mouth, Maisman notes. Fruits high in vitamin C, like strawberries, oranges, or grapefruit, create a beneficial acidity environment that keeps bacteria from proliferating. Breath Saver 3. Tongue scraping. If you are not carrying a toothbrush, it's likely you are not sporting a tongue scraper either. But just like certain food can freshen you up, so can everyday tools. More specifically, a spoon. The point of scraping is to get bacteria off the tongue. A scraping tool is ideal, but a spoon will work almost as well, Maisman says. Just hold the utensil upside down and run it lightly along your tongue, making sure to rinse between each bacteria-destroying swipe. Breath Saver 4. Water. This is a simple go-to that many people don't consider, according to Maisman, since people tend to drink that water simply spread to sink around. But, she says, oral bacterial is anaerobic, which means it thrives on dryness. That's why your morning breath may be particularly rank if you wake up with a dry mouth. Not only does water help to rebalance your oral environment, but it can also help you switch out any food particles stuck between teeth. Breath Saver 5. Yogurt. The active probiotic cultures in yogurt, again, as sweetened as possible, compete with the bacteria in your mouth and lower how much hydrogen sulfide that bacteria gives off. Hydrogen sulfide is one of the components of halitosis, along with methyl mercaptan, and the combination of the two had been compared to rotten eggs and fermented cabbage. Not exactly the breath you want to be sporting in any face-to-face combo.